Assalamu everyone. So last time we have learned how to factorize a quadratic equation. Today we will do a small example on that, and then we will move on to other things as well. If you have a coefficient in front of this x squared, what are you going to do? So that is what we are going to discuss next. Before that we will do the factorization of this as an example, and then we will move on to that. But you have to understand this. These are precursors of what? Of algebraic fractions, right? So these are the precursors of algebraic fractions. We have to understand that point very, very carefully, right? We are doing all these kinds of things just in order to put up the basics for what? Algebraic fractions, right? Cool. Now if you have x squared plus 5x minus 14, you can break this into 2. You have to break this into. Before that, how are you going to break? That is the problem. Now if you consider minus 14, now what are the factors? How can you write this as a multiple? You have to have two multiples. For example, 1 into minus 14 will make minus 14, and then minus 1 into 14 is also will make minus 14. Furthermore, 2 into minus 7 will make it, and minus 2 into plus 7 will make that, right? Now, what are the two base numbers such that when you add them, right? If you add them, it should make 5x. 1 minus 14 is how much? Minus 13. 1 minus 14 is equal to minus 13. Now, you don't get 5 here. You get minus 13. That is the problem. So this can't be a number, right? So if you consider minus 1 and 14, it's going to be plus 13. That is also not the suitable number. If you consider 2 and minus 7, it's going to make minus 5. It is not the suitable number. Why is that? Because we need plus 5. But the answer is going to be minus 5. So this can't be these can't be the numbers, simply. Now if you consider these two people, 7 and minus 2, right? Add them. 7 plus minus 2 is how much? 7 plus minus 2 is going to be 7 minus 2, that is plus 5. Do you have that there? Yes, you do. Right? 7 into minus 2 is how much? Minus 14. So we are going to break it into 2 such that you are going to get 7 and minus 2. So you are having x squared plus 7x minus 2x minus 14. Now what you should do is, you have to take these two together and these two together, and then you have to factorize it. So these are these kinds of things we have already learned. Last time also we had the small example, so we are doing it back again, and we are having continuous practices. But you have to do the paper. So probably tomorrow or today at night I'll be uploading the PDF of the questions on the group. So all you have to do is to just do it, and just PM me the answers. You have to PM me the answer. That is a must. Okay, you have to understand that, right? Cool. Now we are having x into x plus 7 minus 2 into x plus 7. So for both of these, x plus 7 is common. So take x plus 7 out of the bracket. So you are having x plus 7 into x minus 2. That's it. This is the whole factorizing story when you have the coefficient to be 1. Now here the coefficient is 1, right? Now what if you have an example like this, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. So what are you going to do like that? But what if you have something like this? Now you can't break this into 2 such that you are going to get 3. That is not the way to do this, obviously, right? Because you can't get it, and that is not the way. Right? So you have to break this into 2 such that you should get not 3. Remember that. You should not get 3. You should get the first term into the last term. The coefficient of x squared into the constant term. So that is going to be 2 into 3. How much is that? That is 6. So you have to break this into 2 such that you get 6. Now what are the factors of 6? Now if you want to write 6 as a kind of a multiple, this can be written as 6 into minus 1. Right? Or minus 6 into 1. Or you can write as 3 into 2. Right? Or you can write as 2 into 3. Minus 3 into 2, minus 2 into 3. You have a lot of options. Right? Now if you break this as 6x minus 1, what happens is, 6 minus 1 is 5. That's perfectly alright. But 6 into minus 1 is how much? Minus 6. We don't need minus 6. What we need is plus 6. Why? Because 2 into 3 is going to be plus 6. So we have to break this into 2 such that we get plus 6. So the best numbers are 2 and 3. 2x plus 3x is going to be 5x. 2 into 3 is going to be 6. Cool. Now, so you are having 2x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 3. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Now, 2x squared plus 3x, take them together, and 2x plus 3, take this together. Now, 2x squared plus 3x, what is common? Yeah. So it's x is common, right? Take x out of the bracket. So you are having x into 2x plus 3 plus. Now 2x plus 3, what is common? Nothing is common, right? Nothing is common. So then what is common? If nothing is common, what is common? Yeah. This 2x can be written as 1 into 2x, and 3 can be written as 1 into 3. So for both of them, 1 into 1 is common. Just pause the video and think about it. Pause the video and think about it, right? So you are having 1 into 2x plus 3. Now what can you say? You have 2x plus 3 over here and 2x plus 3 over here. Take them together. So you are having 2x plus 3. Take it out of the bracket. So remaining stuff you have to put inside the bracket. So you are having x plus 1. So this is going to be your factorization when you have a coefficient. Maybe on the next video we will do one of the examples, and then we will think about how to find the LCM of certain terms, right? So grade 11 people, you have to do these examples. These are very important, and you better try it at home, and tonight or maybe tomorrow you are going to get the PDF file. Be ready for that. Cool. Thank you.